Pregnancy is a transformative time in life, and it shouldn't be a barrier to your career. In this video, we'll explore the legal rights designed to protect pregnant employees in the workplace. Understanding these rights is crucial for ensuring a fair and supportive work environment during this important phase of your life. Welcome to Legal Acquainted, where we make the law simple, relatable, and easy to understand. Important disclaimer: please remember, this video provides general information about legal rights and is not a substitute for professional legal advice. Laws vary by location, and your specific situation may require consultation with an attorney. Today, we'll cover key topics including 1. Discrimination protections. 2. Reasonable accommodations. 3. Maternity leave and related rights. 4. Reporting issues. Discrimination protections. Let's start with discrimination. Federal laws, such as the Pregnancy Discrimination Act, make it illegal to discriminate against an employee based on pregnancy, childbirth, or related medical conditions. This means an employer cannot refuse to hire you, fire you, deny promotions, or treat you differently compared to other employees simply because you are pregnant. Discrimination can also come in many forms. For example, it's unlawful for an employer to pass you over for a promotion, assume you are no longer committed to your career because you are pregnant, or make derogatory comments about your pregnancy. You should be evaluated based on your work performance and qualifications, not on your pregnancy status. It's crucial to document any instances of discriminatory behavior, such as keeping records of unfair comments, demotions, or other negative actions. Remember, you have a right to work in an environment that is free from discrimination, and being pregnant should not hinder your career progression. Reasonable accommodations. Many pregnant employees might need reasonable accommodations to continue working safely and comfortably during their pregnancy. These are modifications or adjustments to the workplace or job that allow an employee to perform their essential job functions. The right to accommodations is granted under federal law and often by state laws as well. What might a reasonable accommodation look like? Common examples include providing a stool for a worker who needs to sit more often, more frequent restroom breaks, lifting restrictions, or adjustments to their work schedule. It may also include temporary transfer to a less strenuous position or adjustments to the workplace. The key is that accommodations should be reasonable and not create an undue hardship for the employer. To request an accommodation, it's generally advisable to communicate your needs to your employer in writing and provide medical documentation if needed. Be specific about your limitations and the adjustments you require. Employers are often required to engage in a good faith interactive process to identify the appropriate accommodations for you. Remember, these accommodations are intended to help you work effectively and safely throughout your pregnancy. Maternity leave and related rights. Let's move on to maternity leave. The Family and Medical Leave Act, or FMLA, is a federal law that provides eligible employees with up to 12 weeks of unpaid, job-protected leave for the birth and care of a newborn child. To qualify for FMLA leave, you generally need to have worked for your employer for at least 12 months, have worked at least 1,250 hours within the past 12 months, and work at a location where the employer has at least 50 employees within a 75-mile radius. During your FMLA leave, your job is protected, meaning you have the right to return to the same position or a comparable one after your leave. Your employer must also maintain your health insurance coverage during this time. While FMLA provides federal minimum protections, some states may offer additional paid or unpaid leave benefits. It's important to be aware of your company's policies on maternity leave and how they interact with federal and state laws. Start planning ahead for your maternity leave to make the process as smooth as possible. Reporting issues and seeking help. If you experience discrimination, denial of reasonable accommodations, or issues with your leave, it's essential to know how to take action. The first step is often to address the issue internally with your HR department or manager. Keep detailed records of all communications and incidents, including dates, times, and witnesses. If internal measures are not sufficient, you have the right to file a charge of discrimination with the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, or EOC, a federal agency that enforces discrimination laws. Deadlines apply, so it's crucial to act promptly. You may also choose to file a complaint with your state labor agency, if applicable. Seeking legal advice is always an option. An attorney experienced in employment law can help you understand your rights and guide you through the process of taking legal action. Remember, you are not alone, and resources are available to support you. Understanding your rights as a pregnant employee allows you to advocate for yourself, ensure a safe and supportive workplace, and focus on the exciting journey ahead. Remember to consult with legal professionals for personalized advice and stay informed about changes in the law. Stay safe, healthy, and empowered. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.